So this slide talks about ways to participate, whether it's online or telephone or in the room. So everybody gets to be full participants and no one has to go, oh, dang nabbit. So the ways to participate, I'm imagining around the table. Literally, we're sitting around the table, we're sitting in a circle, and the talking stick is passed around. And that way, no one gets passed over. And so John can be the facilitator on site because he can see people waving a hand. He can see people who are sitting like this, waiting. Then with the forms we're using, if people, have just, I gotta get this out, but it's not their turn, they can fill in the form. Yeah. And then John will pass it, and then online and call in. My basic role is a facilitator to encourage conversation. I really think the comments of people who attend the seminar are of the highest value. Yeah. And so then after the online, who get in line through the chat window, there'll be the online, the people on the telephone getting in line through the texting. And then when we're all done, I'll hand it off to you to kind of close up the topic, because you'll be listening and absorbing and reflecting, and it's the process. This way, as we keep repeating the cycle, people will know, looking forward, Richard will wrap this up. I can't wait to hear what Richard has to say, but they'll also know that that marks the new cycle.
I can't think of anything I would want to either add or amend. I think the pieces are there that make it possible for everybody to have a pretty good day. So, sounds good to me.
Okay, great. I'm introducing the comments form. This is the innovation of our InfoPower services, and we've been refining this since 2004 when we formed our company, InfoPower Services. And what we've learned is keep it short, keep it simple, keep it focused. So we're going to introduce this, and then what happens is this collaboration, the technology collaboration with InfoPower and Wiser allows us to post the form on our InfoPower website, which means multiple people can be just entering their comments without any obstacle. And then later, Wiser can analyze the comments because they appear in a spreadsheet, and we can sort them and group them and reflect on them and see what we learn. And anywhere along the line that you want to register your comments, register your reflections, use the form. And this will be very handy for people who see the seminar for the first time on video, because that's part of Wiser's practices. You can continue to participate after the live experience is done. And then we'll look at the first video. The around the table style of conversation will follow. If we have time, there's a second video, same process. Then closing remarks, same process, followed by an evaluation form. Because part of learning by doing is asking the question, how was this for you? Mm-hmm. You told us your reasons for participating. Well, now tell us the results. Were your goals and hopes realized? Did we get close? What do we need to do next?